Hello gorgeous people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. As you already saw from the title, in today's video we will play with Lust 004 V3 limited edition kit from Pat McGrath Labs. This kit comes in two shades, Blood 1 V2 and Rose Desire. I choose to try the Rose Desire set. Is retailed for £25 and inside we have a clear veneer lip gloss. This lip gloss is made in Canada and it has a shelf life of 9 months. Next is Rose Desire lipstick. This lipstick is made in Italy and the shelf life is 36 months. And the last is Rose Desire glitter. Here we have 1.5 grams of a product and is made in Canada. Okay guys, let's start with the lipstick. Let's see the shade. Is a beautiful dusty pink nude shade. I'm not strange to Pat McGrath Labs lipsticks. I love the matte trans lipstick formula, is amazing, and I hope that I will like this lipstick formula too. The shade looks gorgeous, is opaque and feels very creamy. Is applying easy, one swap and you're ready to go. For me, this is a perfect everyday lipstick to wear. Now let's try the clear veneer lip gloss. On the top of this lip gloss I will apply the glitters, but first let's apply the gloss. I like the formula, it feels heavy but is not sticky at all, it's just lovely. Okay, let's apply the glitters. Well guys, for me as a consumer, glitters aren't an essential makeup product to have. From the beginning, when I start to apply the glitters, I already knew that I will not like the result. Well, for a photo shoot will look stunning, with the right light will look amazing, but personally, for me, it's not something that I need or that I will wear. If I will be asked to rank today's product, then definitely on the first place will be the Rose Desire lipstick. It is a beautiful lipstick. About the clear lip gloss, I like it too. The formula feels heavy but is not sticky at all, and I like that. And the glitters are beautiful but aren't a product that I will use very often. Okay beautiful people, I hope you enjoyed today's video. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!